Have you ever wondered how to play the blues? Well, wonder no more, because that is what this resource pack is all about. We are talking about the blues. Hi, my name is Sarah Campbell, and I am the piano pro here at Musical U. And this resource pack, it's all about the blues. The 12-bar blues chord pattern is really simple. So we have 12 bars, or 12 measures, and as you can see in the last page of this PDF, it follows a specific pattern. So here's what we have as our chord pattern. We're going to do 4 measures of our one chord. So one chord means whatever key you're in. If you're in the key of C, a one chord is your the first note in the scale. So in the C scale, it's going to be C. And I'm going to do a simple pattern here of just quarter notes alternating between fifths and sixths. So it would be like this. There's one measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and like that. And you take that into all of the different keys. So here, chords, excuse me. Here's the 4 chord, looks like this. And on your 5 chord, it would look like this. Still a nice simple pattern, and it's fun to play. All right, moving on to the right hand. And I want to demonstrate. You'll see that there is this chart here in your PDF pack, and it has the minor blues scales on here. I made this chart a really long time ago, and it's super duper useful.